Hi, we're at Mantelli Sales in Lockport, and today we're going to take a look at a Winnebago Minnie 2108Tb. The Comfort Tech package and the Explorer package. The Explorer package is that this is raised up a little bit with heavier duty tires, and the Comfort Tech package is the insulation, so that it's got a better insulation package in it. Full electric awning with LED lights. Has got the outdoor speakers. This is our water fill cable. And an outside outlet. This would be the back to the hot water tank. Looks as though that it's wired for backup. We've got LED light, and there we have our power supply cable, satellite hookup. We've got an outdoor shower. This is where the dinette is on the inside. We've got the storage bay lock. There's storage on both sides. They would go in underneath the twin beds that are on the inside. You have a power jack and your propane connectors. Place for your batteries to go set up in the front. We'll go ahead and has a grab handle. On the inside here, it has two twin beds on this end that can be made into a king-size bed, as with these cushions in the way. So this is the way it is with the two twin beds. The cabinet in the center, a shelf up above. It has USB ports on both sides and an outlet on both sides. Has a light in the center here. Cabinets in the front. It's just a vent. That one looks pretty deep. The curtain that goes across the end. There's a storage underneath on this side. Let me put this back on there. So.
Go to your outside.
And it has your jacks and everything in them. The side panels on the camper are Asdels, so that you don't get the delamination like you do with the plywood. And it has a TPO roofing that's an antibacterial, so you shouldn't get as much of the fungus and stuff that grows on it. The roof is fully walkable. It has 16 on center studs, and it's insulated, and the front cap is fiberglass, and that is insulated also. The flooring is insulated. It's completely insulated, so it's made for four-season type camping. Up on the roof, it's also solar ready, and mounts and everything for solar panels are already there. And we have the dinette that slides out. So there's storage under the seats. Storage under the seats. With doors on the ends, so you have access without lifting the seat cushions up. On both ends. The dinette also sets down so that you can make that into a bed. In the kitchen area,
control panels.
you have a double sink. You have a 3-burner propane stovetop. You have a lighted fan hood cover and a microwave oven. On the bottom you have an oven. Underneath the sink
Those are deep drawers.
you have deep plywood. They're made out of plywood, not press boards, drawers. Cabinet under the sink. Now we have a Dometic refrigerator freezer. Okay, on the end we have a DVD player and music system, stereo. Cabinet next to it. Flat screen TV. It can come out and turn. Cabinets underneath. That would be the thermostat. In the bathroom it has a pretty good sized shower. With a sliding door. It's not glass. Is that a power fan?
Not a power fan, but not a max air.
Okay. The toilet is plastic, and it's got a foot pedal flush. I have cabinets on a big wardrobe type of cabinet. And then a cabinet down below. Then where the sink is a stainless steel sink. Medicine cabinet. Is that where you turn on the pump?
Second water pump maybe? Is there one up front?
Yeah. But I want to thank Mantelli Sales again for allowing us to come and film these campers. Well, that's the end of our little trip around this camper. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and go ahead and share it with all your friends that are out there looking for a camper. If you need something, get in contact with Mantelli Sales. We'll leave a link down below on how to get a hold of them. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.